Bitcoin just broke $20,000. Hey guys, what's going on? Jeb here, and in today's video, I think you know exactly what we're going to be talking about. I don't think it needs much introduction. Guys, 3 years ago tomorrow, on December 17th, 2017, Bitcoin rallied to $20,000, marking the end to a 28-month-long bull market and would begin the 2018 bear market. The last 3 years have been tumultuous, to say the least, for Bitcoin. We've seen ups and downs. We've even seen a 50% crash in a day this year. There have been huge amounts of money made, massive amounts of money lost. People have lost their life savings, and people have brought themselves up from their bootstraps. I'm one of them. 3 years ago tomorrow, I was a senior in high school, dual enrolled at the local college with 100 subscribers, no, more like 30 subscribers on this YouTube channel. There are nearly 1,000 videos on the Crypto Jeb YouTube channel, and almost every single one of them has a comment below it saying, Jeb, when will Bitcoin return to all-time high? When will Bitcoin breach $20,000? When will we see another $370 billion market capitalization Bitcoin? Should I really be here? Should I believe in the future? Should I trust in this Bitcoin thing, this cryptocurrency thing, this blockchain technology? Is this something that I should bet on? In the summer of 2017, I was in between 11th and 12th grade. In the summer of 2017, I was lost. I didn't know what I wanted to do. Before that, in high school, I thought I wanted to go into astrophysics, and then I realized one key simple thing, and that is, I hate school. Many of you might be able to relate. So I decided that I have no idea what I want to do. I was very much a lost individual. July 31st, 2017 rolls around. I find Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. It was trading at $2,900 at the time, and I myself witnessed Bitcoin rally from $3,000 to $20,000 in the span of less than 6 months. As a 17-year-old with no money to his name, the best I could do is put 10 bucks into Bitcoin every single week. For the last 3 years, we have been grinding and growing and building and educating, most importantly, and community building with you guys. But the one thing that everyone always asks me is, Jeb, when is Bitcoin going to go back to all-time high? Well, I think that has now been answered. Like I said, there's not going to be any technical analysis in today's video. There's no need to, guys. Bitcoin just broke all-time high. Here's what's going to happen. Bitcoin very well may pull back and test all-time high as a level of support. It's really funny to say testing all-time high as a level of support. I just need to mention that. Was waiting to be able to say something like that. But the point here is that Bitcoin has flagged out over the last month or so. It has reset its RSI. It is in prime technical territory to start another rally, and if Bitcoin is able to maintain above all-time high for just a few days, the news will pick it up and a huge hype cycle might start. Bitcoin could be trading at $30,000 relatively soon. Do I think it's worth $30,000 right yet? Maybe not. But that doesn't mean it won't happen. Watch out for a massive rally, guys. Be very careful in these markets. These are extremely tumultuous. You want to talk about emotional markets? Go to CT2A, watch the video on mass psychology. This doesn't hold, nothing else holds a candle to this, guys. There is so much excitement, so much exuberance, so much FOMO right now. I encourage you to be careful trading this market. But if you were looking for a reason to be confident in your investments, which I hope you already have, you got it. You know, there's a hustle culture right now of everyone saying, let's just grind. Let's just work 100 hours a week. Let's not sleep. Let's focus on just doing the best we absolutely can in our business and in our entrepreneurial endeavors. Let's just get up at 4 in the morning and go and grind and make some money. And I don't necessarily have anything wrong with the mentality of working hard. I think it's a very important thing to do. But one thing that I think is easy for us to forget is how important it is to celebrate. You know, there's a very good reason why us humans celebrate things. It's because when good things happen and you don't let that joy out, then you get in the habit of suppressing the joy and going back to the day-to-day. Well, you know what? The day-to-day, if you have your life set up correctly, should be pretty enjoyable, but it's part of the human experience to celebrate. So I want to encourage you guys, since Bitcoin over here on my chart is sitting at $20,676 and change right now, you really have one of two options. And this is how I'll close the video. Either one, you can jump in the market and start trading and make probably good money right now. There's a lot of volatility. You can look for an investment. I guess there's three. You can look for an investment opportunity, or you can pull back and you can celebrate. And guys, it's funny that this happens at Christmas. It's funny that we were already planning to be gone for a week during the week of Christmas here on the channel. But I want to encourage you guys, there's a season to work your tail off, but there's also a season to reflect and to celebrate and to enjoy what's happened, to remember and reminisce on all the things that have happened in the last 3 years. Tell me in the comment section down below if you watched Bitcoin hit all-time high last time. I watched it happen live. I was on TradingView when Bitcoin hit 20K last time. The last 3 years have been some of the most formative of my life, and I'm going to spend the rest of this year, the next 14, 15 days or so, looking back on that and learning and reflecting and celebrating. Because, guys, something very, very special just happened. And don't get caught up in the idea of let's not celebrate. I think there's something very, very important in celebration. And on a personal note, before I wrap it out, I just want to mention 3 years ago today, I was not exactly in a great place mentally. I was not exactly in a great place financially. I was not exactly in a great place on many fronts. But this channel really turned a lot of things around. Bitcoin turned a lot of things around. You guys turned a lot of things around. I went from being a kid making videos in his bedroom, afraid to show his face because of what would my subscribers think if they knew I was 17 years old or 18 years old, to running a company with 6 employees, growing exponentially. We're looking at between 500 and 1,000% growth on all metrics next year. I want to say thank you. I don't want to make this all about me, because at the end of the day, the thing I'm most proud of is the impact that we've been able to make on y'all's life. But I do want to say thank you. Man, it's been a crazy couple of years. All right, guys. Roll that outro music. Let's go.
Oh, I got a real good feeling.